Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Wednesday, the 6th of November. Let's look at dollar yen. Interesting chart, I think, dollar yen, because you would certainly say that this trend is intact. Higher lows, higher highs, and you are edging higher through that. But this resistance at 109 big figure has been a crucial pivot in recent, or certainly ceiling in recent months, but also a pivot line. The failure that we saw in August created a sharp sell-off. The failure that we saw last week created an initial sharp sell-off, but then rebounded again. And it seems as though that we're getting some sort of mixed signals, I think, on dollar yen. And the market, I think, is sort of edging towards a breakout. It's just whether you can trust the breakout when it happens. And if it's going to be that moment that the market does actually go with the breakout. Because at the moment, we've seen a closing breakout above 109 big figure. That is the highest close we've seen on dollar yen since the 30th of May. However, the initial reaction has been lower today to unwind back below 109 figure. So again, you're sort of questioning whether this is the moment that dollar yen is breaking out on a decisive basis. You've seen that resistance at 109.30, that high that we saw back in 1st of August, the high that we saw back last week. And again, failing underneath that as well. So just a few sort of question marks surrounding this move. And the breakdown below 108.25 that we saw last week, which looked as though it was sort of almost directional, instantly turned around. Slight positive candle, but then you saw in the days after that, on Monday, Tuesday, the market accelerating. So we've seen a slight turnaround on the positive candle of yesterday into a negative move today. So is this again a failure? I think how the market responds around 108.75 is going to be key, because again, you can see on the hourly chart, this is a near-term pivot line. Turning point on consistently in the past couple of weeks, 108.75. So if it now starts to move back under 108.75, then I think it could well turn back into another failure move. So this is a key moment, again, on dollar yen. We're still sort of edging towards, I think, a breakout, and there is a positive bias on momentum. RSI above 45 consistently, pushing into the 60s. MACD lines consistently above neutral. However, there's lack of decisive breakout is still a concern as to exactly whether to chase it or whether to just hold off a little bit. I think 108.75 and the reaction around that could be the clincher as to if that support holds, then I think that the market could well be sort of positioning better for that breakout. So a very interesting moment for dollar yen. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.